Greetings and blessings, Vibrillionaire Soul family, loving, living the Vibrillionaire Soul lifestyle all day, every day. Today is a beautiful May 5th, 2021. Happy Cinco de Mayo to everyone. If I can get my water open. Here we go. This is your daily reminder. Re-hearter. Wish I could say that. Re-hearter. Not just reminder, but re-hearter. Connecting you back to the heart. Reminding you where you always reside. The surrender. So let me show you where I'm at. Look at those beautiful birds. So this is your daily... Look at that. Look at the way they remind us to gather together. Whoa. One just flew over my head. This is what nature does. It wants to gather with us. Look at that. Another one just flew by me. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What a blessing. Oh wow. Okay, I'm going to give them their privacy because I'm going to try to record them. So this is your daily reminder, re-harder, to ground for life. Blessings, Fred Posimo. Your daily reminder, re-harder, to ground for life, to hydrate for life. Blessings. Blessings to all of you. Toasting to the oneness of the world that we're all reawakening to, that we're all interconnected. We're all one. We all affect the whole with our small or great acts. Hydrate for life. Breathe life. You know what? I'm going to show you the birds. Oh, they just went over again. Thank you, beautiful birds, representing Mother Nature. Breathe life. Take a moment to just breathe life in. Play. Remember to play and be life. Because you don't have to work at being life. You don't have to strive to be life. You are life itself. And the genuine Samadhi mirror message of the day is: you are more than you can imagine enough. What do I mean by that? You can't even imagine how more than enough you are. Even if you try to imagine the greatest potential, the greatest image of you, it doesn't even come close to who you are. It's just a touch, it's just a taste. And you're all meant to discover even a taste of it. Playing small smallens your world. Playing big enlarges your world. Because that's your freedom. How you live your world is your freedom. But you got to remember, as a beautiful soul, my brother Will says that there is a world and there's an earth. The earth is perfect. The world is what we created. So remember that your earth is perfect. Who you are, the nature of you. And we're given the responsibility to create in this world. So, who told you you're not enough? Who convinced you to think you're not enough? Who influenced you to have you believe the story that you're not enough? But more importantly, why did you allow yourself to believe that story? And if you did, that's okay. But you can transform it today. From here on forward, you can transform that story that you tell yourself. Because at the end of the day, somebody can tell you you're not enough. But at the end of the day, your sovereignty is your choice to accept that truth or not. So somebody tells you whatever they tell you. That's their belief, that's their opinion, that's their perspective of life that they're reflecting to you. And at a deeper level, that mirror is reminding us to remember where our truth is. Because if something we believe outside, we're being programmed. But when you check in with your inner intelligence, with your inner wisdom, you find the truth of your being, and you allow that intelligence, that wisdom to program you. And I'd rather the intelligence and the wisdom program me instead of being programmed by artificial intelligence, which is outer world. This is artificial. This is the material. Even though it's beautiful, it's pure, it's beautiful, but it's not the truth. It's a fabrication of the manifestation of what I believe to be true. So remember that your truth resides within your heart, not in your head. So really take the time to surrender. Take the time to be still. Take the time to relax and allow you to remind you. And call it whatever you want. Call it God, call it universe, call it source, call it creator, call it Gaia, call it whatever you want to call it, because I'll tell you what, it doesn't matter what you call it, it rules and it supersedes all laws. It is the source of all creation. So it doesn't matter what you call it. The question is, are you living it? Because if you're calling it one thing to justify not living it, then it doesn't matter what you call it. You're always going to suffer and wonder why you're suffering. But if you surrender to that just is, stop trying to put it in a box, stop trying to contain it, stop trying to control it. Surrender to that, and you'll realize more than you can ever even imagine. So, this is your grounding for life break, your breathing break, your hydrating break. Remember to hydrate for life, to breathe life, to be life. So I'm here at a cemetery to show you, to mirror to you, that it doesn't matter how busy you are in life. We parked right here, the side of a cemetery. And look, I'm around nothing but love. All these souls here are pure love. No matter what they did, no matter what they didn't do. They're pure energy, they're pure vibrational awareness. And how many people come and pay their love, their honor, and their respect. This place is beautiful. My wife and I, we love coming here and meditating and talking and just feeling the energy here. Because cemeteries are given a bad rap. And really, it's nothing but beauty. Because how many people didn't get to live their dreams that they're telling us? Honor our memory, honor what we gave this world, honor what we sacrificed, honor what we weren't able to do, that you're here to take the baton and continue that legacy. So, they're speaking. The question is, are we listening? Not just hearing. Are we listening? Are we feeling the message of what each one of those flowers, each one of these not sure what they're called again, tombstone insignias or markers. Even those that don't have a marker, doesn't make them any less or more. Doesn't matter how one accomplished or one didn't. They're all just as important, because they all left a legacy of a ripple that without them, this world would not be the same. Every single one of these beautiful souls are just as significant as the other. And that's the same with you. That is the same with you. You are just as significant as the greatest that you think is great, and as the least that you think is least. Because we're all one. Just like a forest, there is no tree greater than the other. There is a tree that is communicating, that's been there as the elder, but they're all one, sharing that one consciousness, sharing that one intelligence, that one source of wisdom, that sea of wisdom. So, blessings everyone. Enjoy your beautiful, brilliant, balanced, bountiful day. And remember, you are more than you can imagine. Enough. Namaste.